Today, at Harvard University, Craig Mundie, Microsoft's Chief Research and Strategy Officer, talked with students about how new approaches in computing will help solve complex issues from environmental change to growing the global economy to improving healthcare and education.
Today, the world is coupled together, both electronically and environmentally, at a level that it really wasn't in the past. And I think these have presented a new set of challenges. And so science and engineering are going to have to step up again, in this case, I think, with the aid of computing.
You don't ever think about a computer being able to solve, global warming or health problems around the world or education, everything that Craig was talking about. So it's pretty amazing that they've been able to build these models and develop this new software and new technology that's going to address those types of things.
Through demonstrations, Mundie illustrated how technology is changing how people interact with the world and what it might be like to be a research scientist in the future.
I personally would like to have the displays just because they're cool, but I think the most useful part was actually the scientific workstation. I think that's a really important piece that we're missing.
As we're moving from the graphical user interface into the natural user interface, it made me feel that the technology we're having right now, it's more of a fossil technology, or going to become a fossil technology within a couple, 2-3 years.
Since I'm pursuing zero carbon research, I can start to write that, and it says, okay, that's probably what you're doing.
In a keynote address, Mundie spoke about how future computers will help fundamentally change how we live, play, work, and solve problems.
It's sort of doing for scientists in a large scale what Excel did for business people, 20 years ago, which was give you a way of expressing problems that it's more natural to you and without having to go learn about writing programs in a traditional sense.
I think I was very interested in the idea of eye tracking as an actual capability. It's been movie stuff for a while, and it would be fun to actually see in a real office.
Today's discussions and demos at Harvard will be followed by additional college visits this week at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign and the University of Washington in Seattle.